Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into the latest and greatest in tools, tech, and DIY must-haves. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best airless plastic welder on the market right now, the Jounjip Plastic Welding Kit Deluxe. This is a professional-grade plastic repair kit that's turning heads in the automotive, marine, and home repair world. Whether you're fixing a cracked bumper, sealing up a leaky plastic tank, or bringing your old kayak back to life, this kit might just be your new best friend. Let's start with what you get in the box. Jounjip isn't cutting corners with this one. The Deluxe kit includes a full range of tools and accessories, a high-powered 80W certified plastic welder that heats up to 525 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 types of welder tips for different kinds of repairs, 20 polyplas rods, 40 polypropylene rods, aluminum repair tape, stainless steel reinforcing mesh, sandpaper, a wire brush, iron stand, and more. It's not just a tool, it's a complete system ready for a wide range of plastic repair tasks. One of the standout features here is safety. This kit is UL certified, which means it's passed rigorous safety testing in both the US and Canada. That's a huge plus, especially if you're using it in a garage or home workspace. The certification ensures that the welder and the manufacturing process meet strict safety standards, giving you peace of mind while working on high-temperature repairs. Now let's talk about performance. This airless welder is designed to handle the heat, literally. It plugs into a standard 110 to 120 volts outlet and gets hot fast, so you can jump into repairs without waiting around. Because it's airless, there's no need for compressed air or gas, which simplifies your setup and makes it easy to use virtually anywhere. The dual-tip design is another smart inclusion. You've got boot tips for small, delicate repairs like cracked headlight tabs, and triangle tips that pair perfectly with the polyplas rods for larger jobs like bumper or panel repairs. Switching between the two is quick and effortless, giving you versatility on the fly. And let's not forget the value of the extra materials. The 60 welding rods give you plenty of options for different plastic types. The inclusion of both polypropylene and polyplas rods means this kit works on a variety of thermoplastics. The stainless steel mesh is perfect for reinforcing weak or stress-prone areas, adding long-term strength to your repairs. From kayaks and ATVs to outdoor furniture and plastic containers, this kit is designed to handle it all. If you've got cracked or broken plastic, this tool gives you the power to make long-lasting repairs without expensive part replacements or professional help. For DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, or hobbyists who are serious about quality plastic repair, the Jounjip Plastic Welding Kit Deluxe is a no-brainer. It's well thought out, durable, and complete right out of the box. Plus, its UL certification and thoughtful design make it safer and more reliable than a lot of the cheaper alternatives out there. So, whether you're building, fixing, or restoring, the Jounjip Deluxe Kit has your back. That wraps up today's hands-on breakdown. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more honest reviews from Product Critique. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.